So you've got an iPad and an Apple Pencil, and I'm willing to bet you're only scratching the surface of what it can really do. Yeah, most people use it for taking notes or maybe a little bit of sketching, but its real magic, it's kind of hidden in plain sight.
So let me ask you, are you really using your pencil for more than just the basics? I mean, are you getting your money's worth? Because once you unlock some of these smaller, hidden features, it really does transform from just a stylus into an incredible productivity tool. Let's get into it.
You know, the secret here isn't some big, flashy application you have to download. Nope, it's all about the collection of tiny, integrated shortcuts that save you a few seconds here, a couple of taps there. And when you add them all up, your entire iPad experience just feels, well, faster, smoother, and way more intuitive.
All right, first up, let's talk about speed. Because the best ideas, they never wait, right? They always seem to strike when you're in the middle of something else. These next features are all about grabbing that thought the very second it pops into your head, without completely derailing what you're doing.
This right here is a total game changer. Just imagine you're browsing an article online, or maybe you're watching a video. Instead of having to switch apps, you just swipe up from the bottom right corner. A little note window pops up right on top of whatever you're doing. You can jot down your idea and then just flick it away. It's absolutely seamless.
And I mean, just look at how much more efficient this is. The old way, you're talking at least 4 steps just to get a blank page. Wake the iPad, unlock it, find the Notes app, create a new note. But with the pencil, if your iPad screen is off, you just tap it with the tip. That's it. You are instantly inside a new note, ready to write. And over on the other corner, we've got another brilliant shortcut. Instead of fumbling around with the physical buttons, just swipe up from the bottom left to grab a screenshot. But it doesn't just take the picture, it instantly throws you into markup mode so you can start drawing, highlighting, and annotating right away. You can even capture an entire web page and save the whole thing as one big PDF. So useful.
Okay, so capturing ideas quickly is one thing. But what if your handwriting could be just as powerful, just as useful as typed text? Well, that's where we're going next. See, the iPad doesn't just see your writing as digital ink, it actually understands it.
You gotta meet Scribble. This feature lets you write by hand literally anywhere you'd normally type. A Google search bar, a form on a website, a text message. Just start writing with your pencil, and it converts your handwriting into typed text right on the fly. It keeps you in that creative handwritten flow without constantly having to switch back and forth to the keyboard. And what's really cool is how Scribble makes editing feel so physical. If you make a mistake, you don't have to find the backspace key. You just scratch out the word like you would with a real pencil on paper, and poof, it's gone. Need to split or join words? Just draw a simple vertical line. These little gestures make handwriting on a screen feel so natural.
But what about all those notes you've already taken? Well, this feature is the perfect bridge between the analog feel and the digital world. You can just select a block of your handwritten notes, and with a couple of taps, turn the whole thing into clean, typed text. Now you can copy and paste your big ideas into an email, a document, wherever you need it.
The iPad is also smart enough to understand what you're writing. If you jot down a date or an email address or a phone number, you'll see it get underlined. That's iOS recognizing the data. So you can just tap on that date you wrote, and it'll ask if you want to create a calendar event. All of a sudden, your static notes are interactive, saving you so much time.
All right, let's dive into some of the tools that just add a layer of polish to your work. These features are all about taking your quick, messy ideas and cleaning them up so they look professional, with almost no effort at all.
We've all been there, right? You're trying to sketch out a quick flowchart or a diagram, but your hand-drawn shapes look, well, they look like this. Kind of messy, not very professional. But check this out. If you draw that same messy circle, but you just pause for a split second at the end with the pencil tip on the screen, the iPad automatically snaps it into a perfect, clean shape. This works for squares, triangles, arrows, stars, pretty much anything. It makes your diagrams look intentional and clean instantly.
Here's a pro tip that's going to save you so much frustration. Instead of hunting for the undo button on the screen, just remember the number 3. A quick 3-finger swipe to the left is undo. A 3-finger swipe to the right is redo. Once you build that muscle memory, it is so much faster. And hey, if you have a second-generation pencil, please don't forget about the double tap feature. The default is a switch to the eraser, which is super handy, but you can actually go into your settings and change it. You can make it switch to the last tool you used or bring up the color palette. It's a small tweak that lets you tailor the pencil perfectly to how you work.
Okay, let's zoom out a little bit, because the Apple Pencil isn't just a tool for the Notes app. Its real power is how it's woven into the entire Apple ecosystem.
So here's a question I hear all the time.
You're working on your Mac, maybe in a heavy-duty design app, and you're just wishing you could reach for your pencil to do some fine detail work. Can you actually do that?
And the answer is yes. With a feature called Sidecar, your iPad can actually become a second screen for your Mac. And when it's doing that, your Apple Pencil just works seamlessly. You can use it in desktop apps like Photoshop or Illustrator and get all the precision of the pencil, but on your Mac software. It's awesome.
And for our last one, here's a little hidden gem. When you're writing an email in the Mail app, you can actually insert a sketch right into the body of the message. A little drawing canvas pops up and you can add a quick diagram or annotate something or just add a personal touch right there in the email. So you see, it really isn't about one single mind-blowing feature. The real genius of the Apple Pencil is how all these little, thoughtful tools come together. They just remove friction and they make the whole experience of using an iPad feel fundamentally better, smoother, and faster. And that really just leaves one final question for you to think about. After seeing all of these different tips, from Quick Note to shape recognition, which one of these tiny shortcuts do you think is going to make the biggest difference in how you use your iPad every single day? Hey, if you learned something new today and you liked what you saw, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button. And if you know someone with an iPad and a pencil, share this explainer with them. They'll thank you for it. And finally, so you never miss another deep dive, make sure you ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching.